In this video, I'll be showing how to use the new DR300 pocket co-limiter with Claros Collect. I have the phone displayed on my desktop here so we can see what we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and start up the Claros Collect application. It's going to pop up and ask me for my PIN. I type it in, and I'm logged into Collect. It's going to show me my two distribution sites that I have set up. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first site that I want to collect data for. Now, what I have here is I'm going to ask for the free chlorine. I've already run that test and I have it ready to enter into the system. So what I have is this blue transfer button. So if we go ahead and click that, it's going to display all the available instruments that are within my range. And in this case, I got my 0.48 that I want to transfer in. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. And now I'm going to go down to confirm once it's read that in. And that will put it into the collect form for me. Notice that the value is gray. That means I can't edit it directly. If I do need to retake it, I can simply use the clear button here and then use the blue transfer button again to reread that value. In this case, I want to add a note in, so I'm going to click Add Note. And I want to mention that I let the tap run for 5 minutes. I also can collect any other data that I need out in the field. In this case, I'm going to collect my pH. And I don't need to take the water quality parameters this time. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and I've got a Save button right there. When I click Save, this sends the data to the cloud, and that data is then available to all other users of Collect. They can see that data, start to graph it, use it in spreadsheets, whatever they want to do. I want to now review this data collection, so I'm going to click Review, and I'm going to scroll down to that. I highlight the data point I want to review, and I simply click on it, and now I'm given the ability to view the receipt, so I'm going to click on that receipt. And it's going to pull that up, so I see that 0.48 that I collected, also the note, and the pH that was also part of that transaction. I see the operator that entered the data, when it was submitted, and also the geolocation that value was physically taken at. If I click on it, now I can see that I actually took the sample where I was supposed to take it. Thank you for watching this video on the DR300 with Claros Collect.